opposition. The Honorable Muhammad Ali Jinnah, as a member of the Legislative Council, stood before a foreign occupying power and spoke against the Press Act, which the British had introduced, and which he said was a striking blow to the liberty of the press which we all prize, unquote. He called to, quote, protect those journalists who are doing their duty and who are serving both the public and the government by criticizing the government freely, independently, honestly, which is an education for any government. An education for any government. I always welcome when I am criticized because I may be educated and do better next time. I wish you all every success, for without your voices, we risk losing our way, losing our constitution and our nation. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, once again for this great honor.